Why do some agency relationships fail even when the agency is technically doing the work? The agency might be technically doing the work, but then when it comes down to this, we have to define first out, why did you hire someone? And then second, do they achieve the results that you were hoping for? And then third, do they have realistically data and answers to why they are not achieving what they are achieving? Because you can be good at something. Giving you a specific example, we took on a brand that 2 years ago, their sales were 40,000, 50,000 per month. And then when they came to us, their sales were around 20,000. Because they already had a bad experience with other agencies, we aimed to provide them with customer service and making sure, because the person was very detailed and data oriented, to prove with data whatever we're talking about. Now, what happened is that this brand mostly their sales for 2 years ago, when they performed well, were coming from keywords that they did not anymore rank for, that they did not anymore had any competitive advantage against. By competitive advantage, I'm saying cheaper brands came in that have better creatives, that they were doing promos, coupons, and so on. But especially the creatives were really, even the main image did not resonate, right? And 2 years ago, maybe they were good with whatever they had. But now, after 2 years, they did not have any competitive advantage over the competitors that came in. Why is it important? Is because, for example, this was a clear example where I saw that no matter how good technically we set up the account, no matter how much cleaning we done for the account, no matter how detailed we were when it comes down to the data that we're providing, no matter how many tests we learn from it, don't do any more out of pocket unless you can actually show them that you can make them more money, because what you're going to end up with only sheets that are out of pocket, and they're not going to appreciate it. No matter how much data we provided them in order to prove that, hey, this is what I'm seeing, the founder always was like, no, I know better. It's like, okay, if you know better and if you don't believe the data, what can I do? Technically there, we were doing the work, we were offering high quality service, we were doing everything that we can do, and we went over and beyond of whatever a service provider, because they hired us as service providers, can do. Yet if the person is not happy with whatever you're going to provide them, no matter how much of it you're going to provide, even if it's the highest quality, and honestly, other brands, we were charging twice the price, and they were like, yes, just do your thing, because I see your point, First brand that I was talking about, they never appreciated that. That's why I'm saying it's really important that not only technically someone is doing the work, but do you believe whatever they're presenting you as, hey, this is data, it's not BS that we're throwing your way.